Hi, David Wong from Home Life. The last period we was talking about finding leads, and today is very interesting. If the people like yourself as an owner that you're thinking about selling your property, we can offer our service to you to get your home sold. In the sense that if you fall into this category, people like who have financial difficulties, family divorcing, and for example the late payment, that you want to downsize or upgrade and thinking too much work to be done in your property, and for example like concerning about your health concern, and these are the, for example, like the ownership of this property. We are interested to ask you to sit down and interview us to see what we can do to help you to sell your property quickly. In order to do that, all we ask you to give us a call at this number 416-816-6143 to set up a time and an appointment. Me and my partner, we will come by and show you step by step to do a presentation to get your home sold quickly. Believe me or not, the market is very hot. The last month in Toronto Real Estate Board is selling over 10,000 homes, and we have buyers coming in from all different sectors, and we build our portfolio as a group, as a buyer, in order to find achievement to get your property sold. Please give us a call. We're looking forward to earn your business. Thank you.